Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy kombucha. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need a healthy SCOBY, about 2 cups of strong starter tea, 8 to 10 bags of black or green tea, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 14 cups of filtered water. Make sure your 1-gallon glass jar and all utensils are sparkling clean to prevent unwanted bacteria. Maintaining a consistent brewing temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for a successful brew. Now, let's dive into the primary fermentation. Begin by brewing your 8 to 10 tea bags in 4 cups of hot water for about 5 minutes. Remove the bags, then stir in 1 cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. Add 10 cups of cold, filtered water to cool the mixture down quickly. Once it reaches room temperature, pour it into your 1-gallon jar. Gently add the 2 cups of starter tea and carefully place your SCOBY on top. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Then let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, your primary fermentation is complete. Carefully remove the SCOBY and reserve 1 to 2 cups of the fermented tea as starter for your next batch. Strain the remaining kombucha into clean bottles. This is where you can get creative with flavors. Add about 1/4 cup of fruit juice, fresh fruit, or herbs to each 16-ounce bottle. Seal the bottles tightly, leaving about 1 inch of headspace, and let them ferment for another 2 to 5 days at room temperature to build carbonation. Remember to burp your bottles daily. To ensure your kombucha is always healthy and delicious, always prioritize cleanliness. Use only filtered water and sanitize all your equipment before each use. Once your second fermentation is complete and the desired carbonation is achieved, move your bottled kombucha to the refrigerator. This will significantly slow down the fermentation process and preserve its flavor for up to 1 month. Regularly inspect your SCOBY. A healthy one will be smooth and pale. If you ever see mold or detect an off-putting smell, it's best to discard the SCOBY and start fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.